Hello, welcome to Ignition B Driving School. My name is B. I'm gonna be your driving instructor for today. So this is the driver perspective. So I'm gonna introduce you one by one what the control is. This is the steering wheel. It's the primary control of the car. Most cars have circle shape, but some cars have the rectangle ones. Some cars have also a half moon shape, so it's going to be half circle in the top, flat at the bottom. To hold the steering wheel, you need to use both hands. If this is a clock, we can tell this is a 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and this is the 9 o'clock. Your hand default position going to be in 9 and 3 position. Or some people gonna put in 10 and 2 position. Both are okay. Max, on your right hand side for Japanese car, we have the light switch. If you press this down with your fingertip, it will show the right blinker. To kill it, simply here. And to go left, it shows left blinker. On the left side of your hand, it's gonna be the wiper. There you go. Just simply kick and go. And next, you need to know that this is the speedometer. It will measure the speed of your car. And then over here we have the rev meter. It measures the speed of the engine. Both have relations. And then over here we have the fuel meter and of course the driving mode position.